Yeah, exactly. Same as your resolutions.
Hey. There's no half measures over here, I'm telling you. 2016 Queenstown, not bad. Not bad at all.
We're putting in some commentary.
Yeah.
And now I don't see anything because we're behind a hill.
Oh, who's got a chainsaw?
Cut that tree down.
Back to Perth.
Too late now.
You know what? If you make the flight, you might make it.
Are you driving?
I might try.
Do you reckon we can
No,
drive?
mate. No.
I probably can't even, but I give it a go.
3, 2, and there's like a punch.
Wow.
Winnie's will be going off.
Wild.
Winnie's will be getting wild.
Winnie's will be going fucking nuts right now. For no reason.
Yeah, exactly. For
Winnie's
no reason.
right
For no
there.
fucking reason.
They can't even fucking
They'll be looking out the roof at fuck all.
like literally nothing.
Literally nothing.
Happy New Year, guys. Yes,
Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2016.
Happy not being at Winnie's anymore.
Happy not being in Australia. It ain't that
Yes.
bad. This is actually the first non-Sydney New Year's Eve that I will remember because really I moved to Australia when I was 6.
Where'd you come from?
England.
Oh.
I mean, 6 years old. I'm sorry, I was in bed by now. Yeah, come on.
I feel I saw the
So-
millennium, but only maybe half asleep.
I moved over the millennium, so I don't know which country I was in, to be honest.
Maybe in the. Oh, that's nice.
Queenstown 2016.
Oh, I see
Not
some
too
pinky
bad.
colours.